Hello guys, this is Sahib from Techie Tweaks. Welcome to our channel and in this new video and in this new series as well, in which I'll be answering your question which you have asked me on YouTube as well as on Twitter using as hashtag Sahib Replies. So Sahib Replies is the name of this series. So the unique thing about this series is that I'll be answering you those questions which I feel should not be answered in comment section but should be taken up in a video, and I can answer these in three languages, that is English, Hindi and Punjabi. And if you want your questions to be answered in English, you should send your questions in English. And the best thing is that I'll provide you times with which you should know that in which time, in which language I have answered the question. So let's get started. So guys, the first question is coming from Dost AR. He is saying that expecting a episode of Tech Wheels today. Yes, I will do. His second question is that he wants me to review the Sony Xperia X. So guys, Sony Xperia X is not a good device. I would not suggest buying it. I would prefer Galaxy S7 or S7 Edge over it. No, it doesn't impress me, Xperia X, so I'll suggest you going with the S7 or S7 Edge. And the third question is that, and the third is actually a feedback. He says that I should be more expressive with my gestures and actions. So yes, brother, thanks for feedback. I'll definitely try. So guys, the next question is coming from Adnan Shizan. He is saying that sorry Sergi, but his Redmi 3S Prime takes about 80 minutes from 0% to 100%. Brother, I just want to tell you that go on my channel, just see the OnePlus 3's video from 0 to 100% in its 3000 milliamps of battery. It takes about 70 odd minutes with the dash charging, and 3S Prime doesn't support any quick charging and stuff. So how can it charge in just 80 minutes when the battery capacity is 4000 milliamps? So it is not possible. I can say that in my video it took about 3 hours, but in your case it might take 2 or 30 minutes because it depends on external conditions also. But this amount of difference, 50% or double the difference, is not possible. So watch out for that. So moving on to the other question is coming from Sibin Sam. He says that how to change fonts in Moto G4 Plus. So by default there is not any option to change fonts in Moto G4 Plus, but if you want you can root your device. But just root your device if you know what is root, and if you don't know, I'll make a video for it, just wait. But by default you can't change your fonts, and don't try anything silly, it will break your device. So guys, the next question is coming from Siddharth Vinosha. He says that when he uses laptop charging while charging his Redmi 3S Prime, it is taking 10 minutes to charge 1%. So guys, yes, it happens with every time. It happens with my Galaxy S6, with every device, because there is an algorithm in our the kernel of device that whenever we used to charge our device using any laptop or computer also, the charging currents are really less. So that's why our charge takes more time. If you want to increase it, you have to root your device, and you have to have very good developer support for that. Even my Xperia L used to do that, but with root I have fixed that problem. But you should not root your device if you don't know anything about it. So guys, moving on to other question, it is coming from Aryan Anmol, and he says that sir, I can't generate barcodes in 3S Prime for GeoSIM. So brother, to be really true, I don't know about this issue, and if you are facing this issue, just contact Reliance Jio. They will help you better. This is my frank suggestion. So guys, moving on to another question which comes from viral videos. He says that bro, you speak better English in your new video. So guys, I have picked this question because a lot of you guys are saying this, but the thing is that I am improving. I am a person who makes a video singly. It is not a team which is making videos. So I am trying to improve on my level, and what I want is your support. Just support me and I'll be trying to improve as much as I can. And I have some sessions I am just way more comfortable in English, that's why I'm trying. But yes, I am trying to improve in English also. So guys, moving on to the next question, it is coming from Hemant Kumar and it is a huge question. He says that he wants a PC which should be future proof, and he wants that type of parts which would actually bottleneck even the highest GPU which is available. And when I ask him the budget, his budget is 30,000 rupees. So my frank suggestion is, in 30,000 rupees you can't build an extreme PC. Yes, you can go with i3 6100, but if you will say you will bottleneck each and every latest GPU for next 4-5 years, that's something which is not possible. And in that budget, actually in 30,000 budget, you can't do that. So that's my frank suggestion. So guys, the next question is coming from Harjeet Singh. He says, which phone is better, Redmi 3S or Moto E3 Power, and which have better battery life? Redmi 3S have a better battery life, and Redmi 3S is a far superior product compared to Moto E3 Power. I would recommend going with Redmi 3S Prime because you will get extra RAM, extra internal storage and fingerprint scanner. This is a far better device than Moto E3 Power. The battery life is good on both, but I'll prefer the Redmi 3S Prime because the chipset is better. You are getting a better camera, you are getting fingerprint scanner, you are getting more sensor, you are getting IR blaster, and the list goes on. So guys, moving on to the next question, it is actually coming from Nem Denursan. Sorry for pronouncing that name wrong. He says that does this phone has ghost touch problem when using quick charging or when the phone is on? So this is regarding the Moto G4 Plus. Brother, when I was having that device, there was no such problem, but some users are complaining that these problems are still present in Moto G4 Plus. If your phone has problem, you should contact the Motorola care. Motorola says that there are patch of bad devices which are having this problem, and if you are having, they will fix this problem for you. And with few updates also, this problem has not been fixed. So guys, moving on to the other question, it is coming from Roshan Peter. He says that when is Redmi Note 4 launching in India and how can he buy it? So guys, what I think is that Redmi Note 4 can't be launched in India because it has been launched with Helio X20 and Helio X25 in China, and Xiaomi is banned to use MediaTek processors in India. But if they want to use it, they should have a Snapdragon, and I feel that launching of Redmi Note 4 will take place in January or February. It is just unexpected with Xiaomi, and if you want to buy the Redmi Note 4, you should use the GearBest or Banggood.com. They can provide you that device if you want. So guys, the other question is coming from Shishil Thakur. He says that mine Redmi 3S Prime takes approximately 10 minutes for 1% charge. So this is guy what I was talking to you about, that external conditions matter a lot. Maybe he says that his Redmi 3S Prime takes 10 minutes to charge 1% when it is connected through USB. So I would say that plug in the charger carefully, and if the problems still persist, contact the Xiaomi care. And this is how it happens. Also, some users are saying that their Moto G4 Plus is taking more than 1 hour and 30 minutes for charging 0 to 100% with turbo power. Lots of people are having issues. Brother, it's not universal for all. It is just an idea, and I always say that if you are facing some serious problems, I would say contact the official service center. So guys, now I'll answer in Hindi. So अब मैं ये क्वेश्चन हिंदी में बताऊंगा क्योंकि मुझे ये क्वेश्चन हिंदी में आया है, और मुझे धर्मजीत सिंह ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि पाजी जब भी वीडियोस बनाते हो तो हिंदी में भी वीडियोस बनाए। तो मैं उन्हें कहना चाहूँगा कि जब भी कोई इंडिया के रिलेटेड वीडियोस होती हैं तो मैं उन्हें हिंदी में ही बनाता हूँ। जैसे कि मैंने जियो की वीडियो सिर्फ हिंदी में बनाई थी, और जैसे कि आज मैंने वीडियो रिलीज़ की है जो कि हमारी करेंसी चेंज हुई है, वो भी अकेली हिंदी में है। और मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि ज़्यादातर वीडियोज़ हिंदी में भी बना पाऊँ, क्योंकि जो मेजर वीडियोज़ रहती हैं जैसे कि इन डेप्थ रिव्यू या मिनी रिव्यू या इंप्रेशंस वाली वीडियोज़ मैं हिंदी में भी बनाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। और अगर आपके पास कोई और भी सुझाव है तो मुझे बता दें। और हमारी जो पीसी बिल्डिंग वीडियोस भी हैं वो भी तकरीबन 2 लैंग्वेजेस में मैं बनाता हूँ, हिंदी में भी बनाता हूँ और इंग्लिश में भी बनाता हूँ, और मैं कोशिश और भी अच्छी करूँगा। और अब जो मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया वो है पंजाबी में, जिसका आंसर मैं पंजाबी में दूंगा। हरमनप्रीत ने पूछा कि सैमसंग J2 2016 एडिशन ते Redmi 3S Prime चो केड़ा वधिया है। तो ਦੋਨਾਂ ਫੋਨਾਂ 'ਚੋਂ Redmi 3S Prime ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ फ़ोन है। मैं ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਕਿ Redmi 3S Prime ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, 3 GB RAM ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਹੈ, ਇੰਟਰਨਲ ਸਟੋਰੇਜ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਕੈਮਰਾ ਵੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਸੈਂਸਰ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ, IR ਬਲਾਸਟਰ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਿੰਗਰਪ੍ਰਿੰਟ ਸਕੈਨਰ ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੈਰੋਸਕੋਪ ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਫੀਚਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ फ़ोन 'ਚ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੇ, ਔਰ बैटरी लाइफ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ Samsung J2 ਨਾਲੋਂ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। तो मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ Redmi 3S Prime ਹੀ ਲਓ Samsung J2 ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ। So guys, that was pretty much it from the video. If you have liked it, hit that like button, and if you want to send us the questions, do use the hashtag Sahib Replies and send it on Twitter, and follow me over there as well, because I am very active on my social media network. If you want that I should answer your question, you should send it. And that was pretty much it from the video. If you have liked it, hit that like button, and for more such videos like this, you know you have to subscribe. So guys, that was pretty much it from the video. Hope you guys have liked it. If you do, hit that like button, and for more such videos like this, you have to subscribe to our channel. If you want to send us your questions, use the hashtag Sahib Replies on YouTube as well as on Twitter. So that was pretty much it from the video. So this is Sahib from Techie Tweaks signing off, and we will meet in next one.